What is pivot table in Excel? In this video, we will discuss 3 points and 10 examples. What is pivot table is in Excel used for? Why use pivot table in Excel? How to create pivot table in Excel? Here is the data, and we will create 10 examples. Example 1 is the sale price city wise, sum of quantity city wise, order date, range, category, total price in this table. And in next example, order, category, total price for in this pivot table. So we can open and check the date as well. Order, category, product, total price in this pivot table. So it's a fifth example. So here we have a total price. In this table we will discuss order date, region, category, product, total price, category wise and date wise as well. The next example is for order date, range, category, quantity, region wise. So in next example we will discuss region wise product and category and date as well in this pivot table. And the next example is for order date, region, city, total price. So we have regions and city as well here, and we have date as well for the total price. Total quantity, region, city wise and region wise with dates. Let's start the video. Please like and subscribe our channel. Join free Excel online course at mjonlinehometutor.com. What is pivot table in Excel used for? It is used for to reorganize the data. Pivot table is a table which summarizes the data in easy way. The pivot table helps us to summarize large data into a shorter space in reorganized way, which helps us to understand huge data in a decent form. Why use pivot table in Excel? A pivot table is the data summarizing tool is used in the prospective data processing to summarize, organize and sort the data. How to create pivot table in Excel? Select the data or table range which will be source of pivot table data. Then go to the insert. Here you can see pivot table option. MS Excel pivot table tool will analyze the data and processing your data in a minor second to present you with several options to manage your data as per your requirements. To create the pivot table, select the complete data range. Go to insert recommended pivot table. It will take minor seconds to give you some options. Sum of the total price by city. So we have created a pivot table. Now sum of the total price by city. Now I'm creating sum of quantity by city. Pivot table for sum of quantity by city. This is the second example. Please like this video. Please like this video right now. And here you can see the both pivot table has been created. Now we are going to create another one, sum of quantity by category and region. So it's a little bit advanced level of pivot table, and here you can see we have a date as well in this pivot table. Please like and subscribe our channel. Please like this video right now and subscribe our channel. The next example is for sum of total price by category. So it will be sorted in the price by category, and here we can see the date as well. Watch full video to understand upcoming examples which are little bit advanced of pivot table example. Sum of total price by product. So it's another example, sum of total price by product. So it's a very simple process to create a pivot table, and here you can see how quickly I'm going to create it. So please like this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. So next example is just go to insert pivot recommended pivot table, and sum of total price by product and region. So here we are creating pivot table sum of total price by product and region. So here you can see we have region, product and date as well with category. Please leave a single comment about this video in comment box. I hope you like this video. Next creating another example, sum of total quantity by category and region. So it's a little bit more advanced level of pivot table which is very easy to create. Order date, region, category. Your comments are highly appreciated. Please leave a single comment in this video. Next example is for pivot table, sum of total quantity by product and region. So total quantity by product and region we can see in this pivot table. So just OK, and we got the pivot table for this sum of total quantity by product and region. So we need to go to the data and the recommended pivot table. Sum of total price by region and city. So the total price by region and city. So I have created this pivot table. We have date as well for total price by region and city. Now next one is little bit different. Sum of quantity by region and city. In another video of pivot table, in which we will create pivot table manually and analyze the data by ourselves or not by the recommended pivot table method. Link in description and I button. Please like this video.